How to fix Instagram messages not sending. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. If you're using a professional account, this issue can sometimes happen. Certain settings. Now go back to the home screen and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and look for account type and tools and tap on it. Inside here, scroll down and tap on Other and find the minimum age option. Tap on it and check if it's set correctly. If it's set to something like 18 and it doesn't match your actual age, this can block messaging features. In that case, tap on Remove to delete the age restriction. Then tap Done at the top right corner. Now go back to Instagram and try sending a message again. Your messages should now send without any issues. And that's it. That's how you fix Instagram messages not sending. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.